Welcome students, myself Kale SL, Ray Shikshan Samsthas RBNB College Rampur. 11 Science Mathematics Part 2, Lecture number 13, Topic number 7, Limits, Exercise 7.6, Question number 3rd. In the previous video lecture, we have completed question number 1st and 2nd, and today we start here question number 3rd, which depends upon the limits of exponential and logarithmic function. So let us start question number 3rd. Evaluate the following limits. First problem, limit x tends to the 0, a to the power x minus b to the power x upon sin 4x minus sin 2x. So this is equal to limit as x tends to the 0. Now here in the numerator a to the power x minus b to the power x. So we adjust here 1 because we know the formula limit as x tends to the 0, a to the power x minus 1 upon x, that is equal to log of a. So when there is a to the power x, then we take minus 1. So we write here a to the power x minus 1, and this minus bx as it is, and we cancel this minus 1 by taking plus 1. Okay, divided by, here we use formula sin c minus sin d. What is the formula sin c minus sin d? That is equal to 2 times cos of c plus d, 4x plus 2x divided by 2 into sin of c minus d. C here 4x minus d here 2x divided by 2. So it is equal to limit as x tends to the 0, a to the power x minus 1, now take here minus sign common, minus in the bracket b to the power x minus 1 in the numerator like this, divided by this 2 into cos of here 4x plus 2x, 4x plus 2x 6x, and upon 2, 6 upon 2, that is 3, so it is 3x into sine of here 4x minus 2x. So 4 minus 2, it is 2. So 2x upon 2 get cancelled. So it is x. So sin x. So in the numerator here, a to the power x minus 1 minus b to the power x minus 1. And in denominator, 2 times cos of 3x into sin x. Now we divide numerator and denominator by x. So divide this numerator by x and also denominator by x. We want here to use the standard formula sin x upon x as x tends to the 0, that is equal to 1. Now here we divide numerator by x and also denominator by x. In numerator divide to this a to the power x minus 1 and b to the power x minus 1 x as separately. So we get here limit as x tends to the 0. This is equal to limit as x tends to the 0. We separate limit to numerator and denominator. Okay. And now divide separately a to the power x minus 1 divided by x, and here minus b to the power x minus 1 upon x. And in denominator here limit x tends to the 0, 2 into cos of 3x into sin x upon x. Write this x below this sin x. Write this x below sin x. And now here separate limit to every term. We get this is equal to limit as x tends to the 0, a to the power x minus 1 upon x minus limit as x tends to the 0, b to the power x minus 1 upon x. Here limit x tends to the 0, 2 into cos of 3x, and limit as x tends to the 0, sin x upon x. Okay, so it is equal to, now we use here standard formula limit x tends to the 0, limit x tends to the 0, a to the power x minus 1 upon x, that is equal to log of a. And in the denominator here limit x tends to the 0, sin x upon x, that is equal to 1. So this is equal to, we write this as a log of a, minus here log of, here in place of a here it is b, so log of b divided by 2 as it is, cos of 3 into x is 0. X is here 0. So 3 into 0, that is 0, cos of 0. Into here, this is 1. Limit x tends to the 0, sin x upon x, that is 1. So it is equal to, now here I take log common. So log of a upon b. When there is a subtraction, we take division. So log of a upon b divided by this 2. Cos of 0 is 1 and this 1. Okay. So we write this denominator 2 into 1 into 1, that is 1/2. So it is equal to 1/2 into log of a upon b. This is the final solution. Now second problem, limit x tends to the 0. Second problem, limit as x tends to the 0, 2 to the power x minus 1 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power x minus 1 sin x into log of 1 plus x, log of 1 plus x. This is the second problem. Now in the numerator, limit as x tends to the 0, here numerator is 2 to the power x minus 1 to the power 3. So we know the formula a to the power x minus 1. So in the denominator, we want here x. But here power is 3. So we divide by x cube. So we divide numerator by x cube and also denominator by x cube, because take the same operation on the numerator and denominator. So it is equal to limit as x tends to the 0. Now see here, this 2 to the power x minus 1 to the power 3. This is the numerator and denominator is 3 to the power x minus 1, here sin x and here log of 1 plus x. Now divide numerator by x cube and also denominator by x cube. But we write here x cube as x cube is equal to x into x into x. So we write here divided by x, here divided by x and here divided by x. Now separate the limit to every term, we get here. So this is equal to, in the numerator we write limit as x tends to the 0, 2 to the power x minus 1. Here numerator cube divided by denominator cube. We write numerator upon denominator cube. So 2 to the power x minus 1 divided by x and whole cube. So take limit inside the bracket. So whole cube divided by here limit as x tends to the 0, 3 to the power x minus 1 upon x. Here limit x tends to the 0, sin x upon x, and also here limit x tends to the 0, log of 1 plus x divided by x. Okay, and all are standard formulas. In the numerator we use here and here we use limit x tends to the 0. We write here formulas, limit x tends to the 0, a to the power x minus 1 upon x, that is equal to log of a. We have seen this formula. Also in the denominator here limit x tends to the 0, sin x upon x, that is 1. So limit x tends to the 0, sin x upon x, it is standard formula, it is 1. And this is also standard formula. We have seen the firstly formula limit x tends to the 0, log of 1 plus x divided by x. So limit x tends to the 0, log of 1 plus x divided by x, and that is equal to here 1. We have seen all these formulas. So this is equal to, in the numerator this is log of 2, in bracket log of 2. So in bracket it is log of 2 and power is 3. And don't take here 3 here coefficient. Here bracket cube, log of 2 bracket cube. If there is 2 cube, then we take 3 as a coefficient. But here 3 is the power, round bracket cube. So we cannot take here 3 here. Okay. Now next here in the denominator log of 3. Log of 3. Here it is 1. 1, and here also 1. So it is equal to, solution is log of 2 to the power 3 divided by log of 3 into 1, that is log of 3. This is the final solution for the second problem. Now we will see here third problem. Third problem here, limit x tends to the 0, limit x tends to the 0, 15 to the power x minus 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x plus 1 divided by x sin x. Now see numerator and denominator. Observe denominator. Here in the denominator x sin x, and if we want to use here sin x upon x, standard formula, so we must divide this denominator by x square. If we divide by x square, x get cancelled and then we get sin x upon x. That means we have to divide denominator by x square. Similarly, we must have to divide numerator by x square. Now we take here factors of 15. We take here factors of 15. We write 15 as 3 into 5. 3 into 5 to the power x. This 15 to the power x is equal to 3 into 5 to the power x. That means here 3 to the power x into 5 to the power x. So we write this 15 to the power x, limit as x tends to the 0, and 15 to the power x we write 3 to the power x into 5 to the power x, minus this 5 to the power x, minus this 3 to the power x plus 1. Always we here adjust plus 1 minus 1. A to the power x minus 1, this is our formula. So always we take here minus 1, but in this case, firstly we factor this 15 and then we take factors, common factor. Then obviously we get here a to the power x minus 1. Okay, so here we factor this 15 to the power x as 3 to the power x into 5 to the power x, this minus 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power x plus 1, and divided by this x sin x. So this is equal to limit as x tends to the 0. Now here take 5 to the power x common from these two terms, and from these two terms take here minus 1 common. Okay, so 5 to the power x in the bracket, here 3 to the power x remains here, and here 5 to the power x outside, so here minus 1 remain. Now here take from these two, take here minus 1 in the bracket, 3 to the power x minus 1, and divided by this x sin x as it is. Okay, so it is equal to limit as x tends to the 0. Now take here 3 to the power x minus 1 common. In second bracket here 5 to the power x this, and here this minus 1, so minus 1, and now divided by x into sin x. And now we divide denominator by x square and divide numerator also by x square. So we divide numerator and denominator. Divide numerator and denominator by x square. Okay, so this is equal to, also we separate here limit to numerator and denominator like this, limit as x tends to 0 to numerator and denominator. Here 3 to the power x minus 1 into 5 to the power x minus 1 and whole divided by x square, and here x sin x divided by x square. This x and x get cancelled. Okay, and now here we write x square as x into x. We write 1x below to this 3x, 3 to the power x minus 1, and 1x below of 5 to the power x minus 1, and take limit to every term separately. So limit as x tends to the 0, here 3 to the power x minus 1 upon x into limit as x tends to the 0, 5 to the power x minus 1 upon x. Okay, and divided by here limit as x tends to the 0 sin x upon x. And now use the standard formula. Which formula? That is limit x tends to the 0 a to the power x minus 1 upon x, that is equal to log of a. So solution of this is log of 3 into here it is log of 5 and divided by here 1. So final solution is log of 3 into log of 5. So in this way we completed here third problem. Now fourth problem, limit x tends to the 0, limit x tends to the 0, 25 to the power x minus 2 into 5 to the power x and plus 1 divided by x sin x, x into sin x. In the denominator, as previous problem, we must divide this denominator by x square, so that we use the standard formula limit x tends to the 0 sin x upon x, that is equal to 1. Means here we must divide this denominator by x square. So we write numerator as limit x tends to the 0. Here 25 to the power x. We write this 25 as a 5 square to the power x. So it is equal to 5 to the power 2 into x, that is 2x. So we write here 5 to the power x, this 5 to the power x, and here 2. So we write this 25 to the power x as 5 to the power x bracket square minus 2 into this 5 to the power x into suppose 1 here and plus this 1 square and divided by here x sin x. Okay, so it is equal to limit as x tends to the 0. Now here see a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, it is the square of a minus b bracket square. So numerator is the complete square of 5 to the power x minus 1 bracket square upon x into sin x. And now we divide numerator and denominator by x square. So it is equal to limit as x tends to the 0. Numerator here 5 to the power x minus 1 bracket square and denominator here x sin x. We divide by denominator by x square and numerator also by x square. Now separate limit to numerator and denominator. So it is equal to, in the numerator limit as x tends to the 0. In denominator also limit as x tends to the 0. Okay. Now here numerator square upon denominator square. We write numerator upon denominator bracket square. That means here 5 to the power x minus 1 upon x bracket square and take this round bracket from this side. Take limit inside the bracket. And in the denominator here this x and x get cancelled. One x get cancelled here. This x and x get cancelled. So sin x upon x. So sin x upon x. Now use the standard formula. This is log of 5. So it is log of 5 bracket square and divided by this is 1. So it is equal to log of 5 bracket square. This is the solution of this problem. Now fifth problem, limit x tends to the 0. Limit x tends to the 0. 49 to the power x. 49 to the power x minus 2 into 35, 2 into 35 to the power x plus 5 to the power 25 to the power x divided by here sin x into log of 1 plus 2x. Sin x into log of 1 plus 2x. This is the given problem. Now see, in the numerator we write this 49 to the power x. 49 to the power x, that is equal to 49 is 7 square. So 7 square to the power x. So 7 square, so we write here 7 to the power 2 into x, 2x. So we write here 7 to the power x and then write this 2 here. So we write 49 to the power x as 7 to the power x bracket square. So it is equal to limit as x tends to the 0. this 49 to the power x as 7 to the power x bracket square minus 2, and this 35 to the power x, we write 35 as 7 into 5 to the power x. That means it is 7 to the power x into 5 to the power x. So we write this 35 to the power x as 7 to the power x into 5 to the power x, plus we write this 25 to the power x. It is equal to 25 is 5 square to the power x. Now it is 5 to the power 2 into x, it is 2x. Okay, so we write here 5 to the power x to the power 2. So 25 to the power x, we write 5 to the power x bracket square and divided by here sin x into log of 1 plus 2x. So it is equal to limit as x tends to the 0. Now here this is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So a minus b bracket square, that means 7 to the power x minus 5 to the power x bracket square and divided by here sin x into log of 1 plus 2x. Now here since a to the power x is present, so we have to adjust here plus 1 and minus 1, and also we have to divide denominator by x square and also numerator by x square. So it is equal to limit as x tends to the 0, 7 to the power x, take here minus 1, we adjust this minus 1, minus 5 to the power x and take here plus 1 and bracket square, okay, divided by here sin x into log of 1 plus 2x, and now divide this denominator by x square. Also divide this numerator by x square. So limit x tends to the 0, it is equal to limit as x tends to the 0. Now here 7 to the power x minus 1, and now take here minus sign common, minus in the bracket 5 to the power x minus 1, and now here this bracket square and divided by x square, we write here divided by x and whole square and upon limit as x tends to the 0 sin x into log of 1 plus 2x, and this x square divided by x square, we write here x and here x. Okay, now here we take separate division. We divide by this term by x and this term by x separately. Now here log of 1 plus 2x, we have one standard formula, limit as x tends to the 0, log of 1 plus x divided by x, it is equal to 1. Here x, so x, here 2x, we want here 2x. So we adjust here 2, so 2x, and cancel these 2 by taking multiplication. So multiply by 2. So it is equal to, in the numerator we take limit inside the square bracket. So in square bracket, limit as x tends to the 0, 7 to the power x minus 1 upon x minus limit as x tends to the 0, 5 to the power x minus 1 upon x and bracket square. And now here this constant 2 take outside the limit. So 2 and limit as this x tends to the 0, sin x upon x, and this limit as x tends to the 0, log of 1 plus 2x divided by 2x. And now use here standard formula. For this we use, for numerator we use limit as x tends to the 0, a to the power x minus 1 upon x, that is equal to log of a. And this one is the standard formula, limit x tends to the 0, sin x upon x, that is 1. Write that formula also. Now here limit x tends to the 0, limit x tends to the 0, log of 1 plus x divided by x. Now here, if there is x, divide by x, and that x tends to the 0. This x tends to the 0, but here 2x. So 2x should tends to the 0. Now as x tends to the 0, 2x also tends to the 0, and use this formula. This is equal to 1. So it is equal to, this is log of 7, and here it is log of 5. Log of 7 minus log of 5 bracket square, and divided by this 2 into this 1 into this 1. So it is equal to, now take here log common, log of 7 upon 5 bracket square divided by 2. So the final solution here, 1/2 into log of 7 upon 5 bracket square. This is the complete solution for the problem number 5th. So in this way we have completed here question number 3rd and exercise 7.6. We stop here. Thank you.